This is a mirror that I designed a couple of years ago. And the first mirror that I made, it was made out of mahogany that I ebonized. Then I decided that I had some curly maple, and I thought I'd make one out of curly maple. And as I was working on it, I thought that bleaching the curly maple would be a good idea because it makes it very bone-like. So if we come over here, I'll point out a couple other features. This is a two-layer stack, which is a relatively simple stack. Some of my furniture that I've made using the stacking method, it's probably had 10 or 15 layers. So I'm going to put this down for a moment and kind of step over here. This was the pattern I made, and now I've used it probably 3 or 4 times. I wanted to show a class on how to begin carving and shaping, so I glued up this piece. Glued up this piece to kind of show some simple hand tools. Now I'm thinking I might want to finish it, maybe sell it or give it away as a gift. But I think it's time now to finish it. I'd like to point out that a lot of times I'll stack and leave extra wood, and that allows me to clamp that wood down and tap it and not have to put the clamp solely on the surface. On this side, I can clamp. Obviously, I'm on the surface, but if I'm working here, it's out of the way. You can easily use normal carving tools to work on your shape. And one thing that I would suggest if you wanted to do something like this, which is fun, is to not focus on one area for any long length of time, but keep moving around the sculpture, and that way your eye will keep moving and the sculpture will look more uniform and work out for you.